I'd like to show you the difference between a solution, a colloid, and a suspension. First of all, this is a solution of salt water. The salt is dissolved in the water, and the particles are so tiny that you cannot see them at all. When you shine a laser beam through the water, you cannot see the path of the laser beam. You can see where it comes in, you can see where it goes out, but you can't see the actual beam of light. The particles are small enough they do not scatter the light. Instead, they let the light pass through. The opposite end is a suspension. This is a suspension of muddy water, and you can see that the mud has settled back out. So it was suspended, and then it settled. And if we stir it, then that stirs up, and it's suspended temporarily again. The particles in a suspension are so large that that's why they settle out. Plus, they completely block the path of light. You cannot see the beam of light because it scatters it completely and does not allow it to pass through. Finally, we have a colloid. A colloid has intermediate sized particles. They're big enough that you can see how cloudy it is, but they're small enough that they don't settle out the way a suspension does. And the cool thing is, when you shine a laser beam through the liquid, you can actually see the path of the laser beam. And so that is, there we go. So that is called the Tyndall effect. And the Tyndall effect means that the particles are big enough to scatter the light partially, but not completely scatter it and block it.